Good morning, Finovate. I'm Krista Morgan. I'm the co-founder and chief marketing officer of P2Binvestor, and I'd like to fund your brains out. Now, we have a very serious mission. There are thousands of growing, thriving, job-creating businesses who can't get access to working capital because they're not yet bankable. So our mission is to help these companies leverage their receivables into cash at a more affordable cost. Let's get these businesses funded. P2Binvestor is crowdfunding receivables. We extend lines of credit to businesses, and then we pay our crowd 7 to 12% APRs in exchange for lending the funds. Our site is open, and investors are earning about 9% APR right now. We are transforming the $136 billion alternative lending industry using technology and crowdfunding. Technology lowers the cost of our operations, and crowdfunding lowers our effective cost of capital. We are the first company to apply the very successful lending club model to the receivables finance market. We launched our beta site in December of last year, and in the last 6 weeks, we have completely overhauled our platform. It launched last night in time for Finovate, so you are the first people to see it. We're actually hoping the first 1,000 hits on our website come from all of you who log on p2bi.com after we finish our demo. This is Clay McIlrath, our CTO. Clay is going to help me walk you through the journey of an investor on our platform. So, our platform is currently open to accredited investors. It is our intention to open it to the general public as soon as we can. The first thing investors see when they come in is their investor dashboard. This dashboard is really your launch pad into the site. We give you regular updates about things that are happening with your investment and releases that we're making. You can see your portfolio, your order history, your transaction history. And we've got a bunch of releases in the works with charting tools, reporting, and statistics. Before you can actually start investing, you need to load funds into your account. We actually decided to use Dwolla, who's a previous Finovate Best in Show winner, as our payment provider because they fit with our mission to provide great technology at a really affordable cost. Our investors can have their interest paid to them in cash every month, so we needed a cost-effective way to transfer funds.
So you can see we just deposited $1,000 from Dwolla. Now, let's go invest it.
We have 2 deals up on our site right now with more on the way. What's interesting about P2Binvestor is we're not just making a market. We are actually servicing the underlying loans in the portfolio. So we do the underwriting. We manage all the transactions associated with a receivables line of credit. This carpet manufacturing company is a great example of a business that benefits from receivables finance. They're not bankable, but they sell to Home Depot, who pay like clockwork every 62 days. 62 days is a long time if you're a small business trying to fulfill new orders. So as you can see, we show you the value of the line of credit, how much has been purchased, how much is still available, and this deal pays an APR of 8.75%.
We wanted to make this really interactive and super easy for an investor to calculate their ROI. So we made this calculator. And keep in mind that this calculator assumes...
That's not the calculator.
But sorry. It looks like a calculator. So keep in mind that this calculator is assuming that we want to reinvest our accrued interest every month. So let's look at some numbers. If we were to invest, say, $50,000 over the course of roughly 2 years, you can start to see our returns about $10,000 at the end of that.
So when you found a deal that you're interested in and you're ready to invest, what you're actually doing is buying a proportionate percentage of every invoice that's in the underlying portfolio. We show you the payment history on the deal. We show you the summary of the information that we use to make the initial credit decision. And if you have any questions, we have an interactive investor forum for investors to communicate with each other and with us.
So you can see that I just deposited or invested $500 into this specific deal. Everything in terms of investing and divesting in deals is super easy. So just by sliding this, I can change the amount that I want to invest or divest, and it's updated automatically With divestments, the withdrawal is made over the course of 60 days as the underlying invoices are paid.
So our platform is very simple, it's very easy to use, you can make a great return. And on top of everything, you can help growing, thriving, job-creating businesses get the working capital they need. So P2Binvestor, we're crowdfunding receivables, we are extending lines of credit to businesses, and we give our investors a new passive income opportunity, 7 to 12% APRs, secured by receivables with 60-day liquidity. We are actively looking for companies who want to be funded. We would love to talk to any accredited investors who are interested in joining our crowd, and we're very keen to build deal referral relationships with finance companies. Come visit us at our booth. I have lots of awesome t-shirts to give away. And come join us in our mission to get these companies funded. Help us fund their brains out. Thank you.